Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are enjoying good health. Welcome to the SST class of 2nd Standard. Lesson 10, Festival Time. Students, in the previous classes, I had discussed religious festivals with you like Holi, Diwali, Dussehra, Christmas, Ganesh Chaturthi, Gurpurab, Eid. I had also discussed harvest festivals with you like Onam, Pongal, Baisakhi, Bihu. I hope the topics that I had discussed with you are clear to you. Now I am going to take feedback in the form of cross questions. Number 1. Name 2 religious festivals. Number 2. Name 2 harvest festivals. Number 3. Why do we celebrate Christmas? Number 4. When do we celebrate Onam? And number 5. Name the famous dish of Pongal. Students, I hope now you are able to answer these questions. Today I am going to discuss different national festivals with you. Before discussion, I would like to discuss important term of lesson 10 festival time. National festival. Festivals celebrated by the whole nation. Students, now I am going to discuss different national festivals with you. Number 1. Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival. This festival is celebrated on 15th August every year because India got freedom on this day. Independence Day marks the end of British rule in 1947 and the establishment of a free and independent Indian nation. It also marks the anniversary of the partition of the subcontinent into 2 countries, India and Pakistan. Students, you know, it is the 74th Independence Day this year, which means India has achieved 73 years of freedom. On 15th August, the Prime Minister of India unfurls the Indian flag at Red Fort in New Delhi. 21 gun shots are fired in honor of the occasion. March past and parades are held. The national anthem is sung at the end of the occasion. On this day, government buildings are decorated with lights and flags. People like to eat tricolor sweets. Students, as you all know, our principal ma'am also unfurls the national flag on Independence Day. Students, another national festival I am going to discuss is Republic Day. This festival is celebrated on 26th January. Republic Day has been celebrated every year in India on January 26 since 1950 to honor the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect. On 26th January, the President of India unfurls the Indian flag at Rajpath in New Delhi. March past and parades are held. The national anthem is sung at the end of the ceremony. People like to eat tricolor sweets on this day. Next national festival I am going to discuss is Gandhi Jayanti. This festival is celebrated on 2nd October every year. This festival is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of the most prominent leader of the Indian independence struggle, popular for his non-violent movement. The purpose of this day is to honor the iconic leader. This day is marked by prayer services and tributes all over India, including at Gandhi's Memorial Rajghat in New Delhi, where he was cremated. So students, today I had discussed 3 national festivals with you: Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. So your homework is to watch this video again and do back exercise given on page 53. Make a calendar of important festivals in a year. Students, you have to complete this calendar of important festivals. Thank you. Have a nice day.